Hello students, for the standard 6th we are studying this lesson, a different kind of school, lesson number 5 students. So today we will see the question answers from this page number 60 students. To look question, first question, what is given? Put these sentences from the story in the right order and write them out in a paragraph. Don't refer to the text. So whatever given here sentence students, that we are going to rearrange. First sentence is given here: I shall be so glad when today is over. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on crutch is almost fun, I guess. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least for not much. But being blind is so frightening. Only you must tell me about things. Let's go for a little walk. The other bad days can't be half as bad as things. So first sentence you will like this as a paragraph students. Let's go for a little walk. This sentence students. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad when today is over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on crutch is almost fun. I guess I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day. At least not much, but being blind is so frightening. Question B students. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam school? The writer had what much about Miss Beam's new teaching method, so he visited her school to see a new playway method personally. What was the game that every child in the school had to play? Every child in the school had to play the role of being blind, deaf, dumb, injured, and lame once in a term. It was the sort of game and training. Question number third students. Each term every child has one blind day, one lame day. Complete the line. Which day was hardest? Why was it the hardest? 9, 11 and 15 number. One injured day and one dumb day. Being blind was the hardest day. The student felt that he or she was going to be hit by something every moment. What was the purpose of these special days? 5 and 9 number. The purpose of these special days was to give the children personal taste of misfortune. They learned to be help the needy in the society. Such a training made them good citizens. Match the words and phrases with their meaning in the boxes. Paragraph and numbers given students. Here boxes are given. So homesick, practically, in pain me, it pains me, appreciate, thoughtless, exercise, relief, ghastly. So from this boxes you are going to write students here words. That answer is mentioned here students. Here below students, look. Homesick means wanting to be home. Practically, almost, it pains me, it hurts me. Appreciate, understanding the difficulties. Thoughtless, not very caring. Exercise, test the strength of. Relief, the welcome change. Ghastly, terrible. Reword the lines from the story. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. Miss Beam was all that I had expected: middle age, full of authority. I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. We cannot bandage a children's mouth, so they really have to exercise their willpower. Answer will be like this students. The writer had heard people praising the teaching method of Miss Beam's school. The writer found Miss Beam a middle-aged and dominating woman. The author looked out the windows and saw a large garden. The children had to use their willpower to keep quiet. Given below is a page from the dictionary. Look at it carefully and find a word which means the same as written down the word and its two meanings. Find a word meaning apart from the school year. Find a word that means Terrible means causing fear or very bad, you can say. Term, a fixed length of time. Second answer, a part of the school year. Test means to look at something to see if it is correct or will work properly, or we answer to ask something questions. So again students, here dictionary words are given here students. Okay, these dictionary words also you are going to write in your notebook. These dictionary words you will write in notebook, that term, terms, terrace. Okay, tested, tester, test tube, text, textbook. Then whatever given, all this you write in notebook in good handwriting students.